Hey, what's up guys, I'm Arif here, you are watching Khan Technical channel. Today we have something exciting to unboxing and review, the TP-Link router WR842-5N. If you are looking to upgrade your home network or improve your internet connection, this might be just what you need. But before we dive into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Alright, let's take a look at the box. Opening it up, the first thing we see is the router itself, nicely packed. Underneath the router we have a few accessories. Let's take them out one by one. User guide, Ethernet cable, power adapter, on the front, we have a series of LED indicators that show the router status. On the back, you will find the power input, Ethernet powers, and antenna connectors. There are also buttons for